change Netflix household or how to change household on Netflix. So all you have to do is just navigate your Netflix and make sure that your Netflix is up to date and just let's go log in. Now, once you are in this menu, you could go to your account. Now, once you are in the account, just click in your icon. Now, as you can see in this three bar, just click that and go click this account settings. Now, after clicking the account settings, you just have to navigate the security and privacy to control to access the account, and you could see the manage access and devices. As I've sent in the picture, you could see that once you have clicked that, you could navigate the households and you could also sign out and you could control the households in your account. So I just didn't show you in my application because it's a privacy. So this is a picture that it would be like this, and this is where you control your household or change household, and that's it.